In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Wix. Whether you're sprucing up your website or making subtle adjustments to your design, knowing how to rotate an image can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this process, step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, proceed to your site's dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially command central for your site, allowing you to manage everything from content updates to design tweaks. Next, you'll be looking for the Design Site button. Clicking this will take you to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, providing you with tools and options to customize your site exactly how you want it. Once you're in the editor, you should now locate the image you wish to rotate. Simply click on the image. It doesn't have to be a big, bold click, just a gentle tap will do, and this will select it for editing. Now, you should notice that something new appears. In the top left corner of the image, a rotate icon will emerge. It's a small, rounded arrow that signals you can begin rotating the image. This icon is key to making any adjustments. Now comes the fun part. Click and hold this rotate icon, and you'll find that you can drag it left or right. This action will rotate the image clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the direction you're dragging the icon. You have full control here, so feel free to experiment a little until you achieve the perfect angle that fits your design vision. Whether you want a subtle tilt or a drastic 180-degree flip, it's all up to you. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to rotate an image in Wix. This simple action can make a world of